Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Essential Windows 2 Weeks by Chris Titus. Boost performance and optimize your PC. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type terminal. Just try to go on it and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for this command used in my video. Just copy and paste it in the command and press enter, and you just need to wait for it. Now you just need to go to tweaks tab, and under essential tweaks you just need to check mark all the essential tweaks guys under here. After check marking all, select the run tweaks option, and you just need to wait for this to get done. After getting tweaks are finished, doing this will boost performance and optimize your PC guys. Just close stuff here, and that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.